further development on the Trochilus harmonica. This is going to be an unboxing video. So this, I'm hoping, is going to be an A Trochilus harmonica. So let's see. Can you feel the tension mounting? A bit boring actually, isn't it? Right, we'll do this quickly. Certainly very well packed, isn't it? It's like Christmas, isn't it? But worse. Right, here we go. Oh dear. So well packed. Does it look right? Key of A I ordered, so that's looking good. Very exciting, isn't it? Lots of plastic. Always the best way, isn't it? Oh, there's a how to do it book. How to play the harmonica, stick it in your mouth and breathe. Okay, good. Good thing it's all covered in plastic, isn't it? Where would it be without plastic? Don't answer that. I expect there'll be more inside. God, this is the most boring video I've ever made. Trochilus. There he is, covered in plastic. There you go. And a little wipey cloth. Aren't they small? Isn't it funny how small it is? It's really the same size as a diatonic. Pretty much. Definitely says key of A on it. Cool, dear. Plastic, plastic, plastic. Where would you be without plastic? It's probably a sensible way to do this. Well, at least it's clean, I suppose. You could say that. We don't need instructions, do we? Where we're going, we don't need instructions. Well, there he is. Nice and shiny. It's arrived. It's got a button. The button works. It says key of A. Okay, I will test the tone of that, the key of that. Make sure it's the right key, but... Let me see if it'll do any overblows. I always test that to see if it'll overblow out of the box. Not that you need it with this, but easy, very easy. Covered in plastic. Amazing, really, so airtight. Let's do it with the button in. Very nice, let's try 5. Really quite amazing that you can overblow on 1, 4, 5 and 6 pretty much. Be better with a tweak, but pretty much right out of the box. I think that's extraordinary. Octaves are well tuned. So I'm hoping that this is an A and a B flat. So I'm going to test that out in a minute. Well, that'll be handy because that'll save me carrying an A and a B flat, won't it? So that will give me E in second position. That should be an E. And then F in second position with the button in for the B flat harp. So let's see, I'll test that in a minute and come back to you. But I think that looks like, so far so good. Another fine purchase there from JDR. I got this one from Ali Express, and although they only put half my address on there, I managed to turn it round. Could have been an operator error, I don't know. But since I bought it from them before, I would have thought that the address would be the same, considering it was only a few weeks ago. I think you can get it from Amazon.com as well, and perhaps from some other places. Individual shops might stock them by now, I don't know. Anyway, I think that's good. That's the Trochilus in A. So that's now the second one that I've bought, which gives you some idea of how much I like them, because I don't normally buy harmonicas. Yeah, there's the instructions in Chinese and a little bit in English. Oh, there's an official website. I didn't know there was one. It says drharmonica.net, like Dr. Oh no, JDR. jdrharmonica.net, official English website. jdrharmonica.net. There's a QR code if you enjoy that kind of stuff. That tells you what's on the back. Do take a screenshot if you wish to. And that's the front. Do take a screenshot if you wish to. Oh, I see. These are the different tunings. So you've got the blues harp tuning. That's the one we're on here. And then you've got the pop tuning, which is the one in red. Oh, I see. That's why this is a blue colour. Haha. Blue for blue. And then this is looks like a, I don't know what to say. Say classical. No, chromatic. Similar to the standard chromatic. Oh. Well, it says pop tuning. Okay, not quite clear. Anyway, I haven't got one of those, so who cares? All right, that's it. We'll have another go at it. Speak soon. Bye for now.